everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can write Instagram notes and share with your friends or any close friends. So for that, just open your Instagram account. When you open your account, at the top right side, just click on your messenger option. When you click here, now you can see with your profile picture, there are written as note. Just click on this note. Now here you can write any note which you want to write. Let's work. Congratulations for winning gold medal. That's why, and just click on share. When you click on this, here you can see note has been written. If you want to write another note, you can write. If you want to change it, just click on this. Click on leave a new note and just write new note. Now how you will share this note with your friend? For that, just click on this note and just simply click on leave a note. Here you can see at the bottom there are option called share with close friends. Just click on this. Here there are two options: share with close friends or share with your followers. Just click on anyone. If you want to share with all your followers, just simply click on this. If you want to share with only specific follower or friend, just click on close friend and simply click on add people. And here you can select your close friend. Just simply click on done and your note will be shared with these friends. So this is the way you can share your note or with followers or with your friends.